Where am I? Oh, hi! My name is Colby. How are you doing? And I'm going to be telling you about weather instruments. Ha ha ha! First up, the barometer. The barometer measures the air pressure in the air. When the air pressure is high, it's a clear day. But when the air pressure is low, expect some good heavy rain. Ha ha ha! Step outside and wait for the barometer to adjust. Remember, the higher the air pressure, the better the day is. Ha ha ha! Next up, the thermometer. The thermometer measures the temperature of the air. It can also measure any temperature anywhere, like your fish tank's water, even pool water. Ha ha ha! Next, the anemometer. The anemometer measures the speed of the wind. These instruments are often found on top of houses beside the wind vane. This instrument has a stick that stands up and a few half spheres that measures the wind speed. Ha ha ha! Next, the rain gauge. The rain gauge measures how much rain has fallen. How much water is in the gauge is how much rain has fallen in the town. This tool is found in yards. Ha ha ha! Finally, the wind vane. The wind vane measures the direction of the wind. Sometimes these have chickens on top of them. These are often found on roofs too. Rah-rah-rah! Well, that's all for me. Bye. Well, wait, first, I'm thirsty. Dun, 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 dun. That was delicious. Bye, guys.
Okay, so the cast is me. Deuce, by the way. Bye.